Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have already discussed about ellipse command. Now in today's video we will be exploring point command. We use in point command different kind of things. For example, if we have to specify a location of anything in a plan, then we can use this point command. If we have to divide a line into different segments, the first method is to draw randomly, and the second method we will be using this point command. And also it has, as we can go here, there are different kind of options to draw a point command. If you can go here, this is actually an option of point, draw a point. And actually you can also go here, draw, and you will go here in the point command. And first of all I am selecting this single point. Now if I click here, it is asking to specify your point. This is my point and the point has been drawn. Actually I think it's not visible to you but if we select like that, you can see that there's a one point in our workspace like that. It is actually not visible yet, but if I go to here, this is our point already been here. And if I go to here, format and point style, as you can see, if I change my style like this, I am changing to this, and if I click on OK, and now you can see this actually has been quite visible now, as you can see here. Now if I wanted to draw, for example, I can also click DDP style, DDP type, actually DDP type. This is actually for changing the properties of your point. You will open the point tab style again, and you can also go with this kind of point, as you can see here, and you can also reduce the point size and do the things which you wanted to do. Just click on OK. Now you can see that the point style has been changed, and I am just turning off this grid. You can see here. Now there are many different kind of types of point. For example, if you go with the short key for point is PO enter, and I'm just wanted to draw a single point like that. Now I'm again going to here draw menu. I'm going to again point, and if I want to draw multiple point without the exit command, I can just click this one, and I can draw like that. By randomly clicking, I can draw multiple points without any distortion. And if I just click enter, it will actually escape. Now if we want to measure some kind of, if we want to divide a line into different kind of segments, we also use this point command. Actually I am drawing a line, I am turning on this ortho mode here, and I am drawing just a random line and just click on enter. Now I am again going to draw menu, I am again going to point, and now there is an option of divide. And if I click the option of divide, now he is asking to select an object to divide. I want this object to be divided. Now he is asking to specify the number of segments. I just say the 7 segments. If I just click enter, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The line actually has been divided into 7 segments. Alright. Now again go to here. If I draw another line like that, for example like that, and now if I go to draw menu, you can see here there is an option of measure. For example, if I think I will measure this line and specify length of the segment or draw randomly. For example, I didn't know the length of the segment, I will draw from here to here. Now from here to here, if you want to calculate the width of this line, you will again go to dimensions and just linear, just click here to here. This will be our width of this line. Actually this is in decimeters, and you should also change your style from here also, as you can go here again, D enter, modify. Primary units will be it will be architecture, and 00. Now increase the text size a little bit here, and symbol and arrow size a little bit. Now close this and go to dimension again, linear dimension, and you can also use a short command for linear dimension, DLI, enter, dimension linear, enter. And now I'm again going to this here from there. As you can see, actually this is 11 feet and 2 inches. So that's it for point command, and thank you.